Hi, I'm James Nave. I'd like to give you a heads up that I'm going to be teaching an Artist Way program based on one of Julia Cameron's latest books titled It's Never Too Late to Begin Again. It's also a book that was written along with Emma Lively. So Julia and Emma both worked together on this, and we'll do this on Zoom. And we'll start January the 18th, Tuesday evening, 5 p.m. Mountain Time, and that's 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And we go for a couple of hours, and the course is a 6-week course. We end on February the 22nd, and that'll take us halfway through the book. And after that, we will reevaluate, and if you'd like to stay on for the second half, I'll offer that as well, and we can continue on for the second half, which will be the second 6 weeks. I like to divide it up into 2 6-week courses because that gives you the opportunity to decide if you would like to go on with us as a group, or it also gives you the opportunity to go it solo, which is a perfectly fine way to go about things. So why do this? I think it's important that we all engage our creative lives. We become, in a sense, creative leaders when we lead ourselves to do the work that we'd like to do creatively. If you are in a transition, if you're wondering, what am I going to do next? Then this course, I think, would be very interesting for you. I'm always asking, well, what am I going to do next? What's next? And it's okay to ask that question alone, and you can answer it alone. It's much more interesting when you ask the question in a group of people, and each person gives an answer. Most of the people on these courses, and I've been teaching Artist Way material since Julia Cameron and I ran the Artist Way creativity camps in Taos, New Mexico in the mid-90s. So I've stayed with this because it's important. And do I know any more about creativity than you? Probably not. Do I have more experience listening to the stories of all the people over the last 20, 30 years? All the stories that people tell about how they've worked out their creative questions. Now, I do have a lot of experience with that. And I also bring my poetry to the table. I bring storytelling to the table, or to the Zoom screen, because that's where we'll be. And I do have a creative practice, which includes poetry, spoken word, teaching, photography, and even a little video making like this. So I love the creative process. And I expect that you do too, because you're listening to this. So if you'd like to sign up for the course, jamesnave.com is how you can reach me. Nave spelled Nave. I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you're all about, what you'd like to do. Ask some questions about the course. It's never too late to begin again, which is January the 18th through February the 22nd, 2022, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Mountain Time. And wherever you are in the world, you can figure it out from there. So I hope you can come. Thank you ever so much for considering it. And be well and have a happy new year.